Hello everyone, today we're at the Taunton bird sale. Just had a look around, there's some nice birds in there, a lot of canaries, a few parakeets. Let's go see what we can find. One goes in the belly. Oh, shot me. Good evening everyone, today was the Taunton bird sale and let me tell you, it was absolutely a bird full. There was so many birds, it was an amazing day. Now, I went there and I thought, you know what, no, I probably won't buy any more birds, I don't really need any more, but I just couldn't help myself. I went and bought 10 lovely Portuguese harlequins, which we'll be looking at in tomorrow's video. A little bit off timetable away from the starfinches, but we're going to have a look at them, and then we'll go back to looking at the other varieties of birds. Anyway, what did I get? So, firstly, I got about 2 bags of 10 of these drinkers. Really useful to have around. Like, they always go missing, and they're a good thing to have at use in the bird room. I also got some countrywide canary and finch conditioning seeds. That's obviously predominantly what we keep at SPA3, and it's really good just to keep the birds conditioned and healthy. But also, I got 2 bags of this lovely millet sprays. Really useful. I think there's around 20 in each bag. Just going to be really useful for Goldians, Budgies, and just any kind of finch your SPA3. Hope you enjoyed this video. Tomorrow we're looking at the Portuguese Harlequin, so make sure you stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.